Quality bath bombs. That was so loud. Hi everyone, my name is Monica. I work on the merchandising team here at FabFitFun, and I'm here today to show you our top 5 picks for rest and relaxation in the spring edit sale. So if you don't already know, FabFitFun has these kind of sales the whole year long, every single season. They just have amazing products up to 70% off. But edit sales are only open to FabFitFun members, like actual subscribers. So if you're not a member yet, sign up. Every single product that I'm gonna talk about will be linked in the description box down below. Scroll down, it's there. Tag us, comment, let us know which one of these are your favorites, what do you wanna see more of, how you love to rest and relax on your spare time. We wanna hear all of it. So yeah, engage and let's get started. Okay, so first off, I have the Cocus Pocus Rose Gold Fairy Lights. These are literally the cutest thing. Rose gold, that kind of burnished copper. Do you hear that delicate magical tinkle? These are the fairy lights. There's 20 lights on the string. They are powered by AA batteries. And that's fantastic because, okay, the joy of fairy lights is just being able to hang them up like wherever you want to hang them up for some ambiance, some restful relaxation lighting. It's a really just cute element to add into any room. And I'm gonna hang them up so you can see some of that action. To the lights, to the wall! Ta-da! Hung that up, super easy. It's just the cutest set of lights. Even just hanging them up, I mean, you saw what it was like before. You can do a before and after. It was just a plain tan. I think it just does something to the space. I have in my hands the Cotton Halo Company bath bombs. So the scent is Amazing Grace. Amazing Grace, how sweet the spell that saved my bath for me. Was dirty, but now I'm clean. Amazing Grace. I know bath bombs, obviously you put them in the bath and they fizzle up and they make the bath water super silky and very like luxurious. These are like nice, high quality bath bombs. That was so loud. So you just drop one of the bombs in and then it transforms your bathtub. You're seeing like this really nice, rosy, pink, Amazing Grace scented bath water that's gonna really help you create your own amazing, graceful paradise. So I'm taking them out. Oh, they're individually wrapped within the bag. I have in front of me right now the Kingsley Daily Damage Defense Leave-In Conditioner Spray. This is a great product, super moisturizing, super lightweight, so you can put it in as often as you like. Pro tip, if you actually mix some of this with like a little bit of water and then spray it on your braids, it's really great for moisturizing hair underneath, but it's good for all hair types. So I really love this because not only does it detangle, it protects against heat damage, it helps boost shine, it protects against frizz. A key ingredient is Pro Vitamin B5, which really helps regulate moisture and increase shine. Vitamins are so key for everything. On wet hair, you shake it, spray it, leave it in as style as desired. Then on dry hair, you also have the option of spray, shake, scrunch up, and let it bring your curls back to life. I don't know how else to put this. And you may not believe me, but it smells like moisture. I feel like the conditioners that I love have this kind of floral, fruity, moisturizing feel. Okay, you know what I'm talking about if you know. On to the Bae Tea Sleep Tea. Tea for your bae, or for you. You are your best bae. You drink it an hour or so before bedtime. You just take a tea bag out of here, put it in your cup, let it brew for a bit, let it steep, and then when you're ready to sip it, you'll have some sweet dreams as you nap. Just to kind of give you an idea of what you might expect when you take a sip of this wonderful sweet dream tea. Okay, imagine the most plush, feathered down, comforter experience. And with that as the backdrop, you wake up, you open your eyes, the sun is shining, and it's just really, you feel alive. That's how you feel when you wake up from a nice night of sleep. You feel alive. I want that for everyone. With any tea, I think the flavor profile is very important because otherwise if you're drinking a tea that you don't like, it's like drinking tainted water. So this is actually delicious. It's chamomile, St. John's wort, which is actually, I'm familiar randomly enough with this like herb because I think I was one time looking for natural like sleep aids because I was going on a flight. But yeah, so it's chamomile, St. John's wort, some ginkgo roots. Yeah, these are just really, really natural, wholesome, holistic ingredients that help with getting you to sleep. So now we're on to the Talking Tables yoga puzzle, 500 pieces in this little cute box. Doing puzzles with other people can be hit or miss because sometimes people really suck. Sometimes people are too good and they're just like off in the corner like, who has this piece? And it's like, yo, calm down. So I actually think puzzles are better as a fun trust exercise with people that you actually like. As you're bonding and putting the puzzle together, you're also creating this beautiful illustration of 4 lovely ladies doing yoga. I'm just really tickled by the art. I think it's actually funny too that it comes like with the artwork, so in case you get lazy and don't actually finish the puzzle, you still have the artwork for your home. That's funny to me, yeah. Yeah, this is cute. So pro tip, because there's so many like patterns going on, I'm talking like a puzzle expert. Not that I am one, but I don't know, maybe I am. There's so many different like colors and patterns in the artwork that it makes it a lot easier to put the puzzle together. Life's like a puzzle because if you stick with it long enough, you will finish it. And just do your part and put down every single piece. You will not finish it. You must finish it. We all die. Just kidding. It's so dark. Okay, cool. So thank you so much for watching. Those are 5 of the FabFitFun favorite picks for rest and relaxation. Enjoy. So many deals, so many treats, so many surprises. See you next season. You shake it, you spray it, you rock it.